So let's talk about the growth and potential in phone photography. Over the years, I think we've all seen how phone cameras have changed. They're improving every day. Every other day, a phone brand is releasing a better phone model and it definitely comes with a better camera. Last year, people made a lot of fun about the iPhone and how they released, the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and then iPhone 14. And each of them, most of the time, comes with an upgrade in the camera. So the phone cameras, the technology in smartphone cameras has grown a lot over the years, and it's still growing, and there is still potential in it to grow even further, and they keep making the cameras better and more accurate. There's also a lot of potential in content creation for phone photography. I think we are all aware of how Instagram content has really grown, YouTube content, and you'll find that a lot of these content creators, yes, they may have digital cameras that they use, but also a lot of times they use their phones a lot to create such content, to take the photos they take of the products they're promoting now, digital marketing, and they make money from these things while using their phones. So maybe you're here and you're, as she, like Sylvia, is into content creation. And that's one of the ways where phone photography has a lot of potential in. And maybe you're here, you might be looking for a hobby and then it turns into a job. You become a digital marketer. So there's a lot of potential in phone photography. And also businesses using photography to promote their products and their services. You may not always have a photographer. Some of the advantages that phone photography has over cameras, or rather phone cameras have over digital cameras. So digital cameras may have a lot of advantages, but these are some of the advantages that smartphones have over them. A smartphone is easier and quicker to use for photography. When you have a digital camera, you probably have to do some settings to get it started and whatnot. But with a smartphone, the camera is literally a touch away from you, and you can just take the photo that you need to take. Your phone is always with you, as we've said, and your phone is a multi-purpose device. When you have a digital camera, you have to pack all your other things, and then you have to pack a bag for your digital cameras separately. But a phone is just a gadget that you do so many other things with, and then it has a camera on top of all of that. Smartphones are also much smaller, so they are not bulky to carry. And I think one of the things that really drew me to want to explore phone photography is sometimes, after I finished my course, sometimes I'd want to take photos in nice places, but then you go there, and the moment they see your digital camera, they want to charge you. They're like, no, because they think you're making money out of, having your camera with you and taking photos. Na kumbe wewe umeenda kupiga miti picha huko Arboretum. Like I remember when I was doing my project, I took some shots at Arboretum, and I had to pay to take those shots, So with a smartphone, if you have a smartphone with a good camera, you can take photos anywhere and people won't feel threatened. Some places, like in malls, they don't like to see digital cameras. It's a security threat. But if you have a smartphone and you're able to take good photos with it, you get away with that. It's also easier to share phones from a smartphone. With a digital camera, there's a whole process with transferring them, saving them, and whatnot. There's also the convenience of a cloud backup on your smartphone. Google Photos, I think we all use that, and it's just so direct. With digital cameras, you have to, transfer them, back them up in hard drives, pay for cloud space. Yeah, and smartphone cameras are better for selfies. I think that one we can all agree without any objection. Smartphones also have bigger monitors. This one hadn't hit me, but it's true. Smartphones actually have bigger monitors than digital camera, so you're able to, you know, see your photos at ease as compared to digital cameras. And also you can edit your photos on the go. Like you just take your photos and the next minute you've edited it and the next minute you've uploaded it. So it's really all about the convenience and the ease. Yeah.